guys, it's Haley from Haley's Design Studios. I know, we got a different angle. You get to see my beautiful yarn behind me, and I'm sitting in my comfy chair today. But I've got this package to open, another package, and then my Amazon package to show y'all, which is just my new shipping boxes. So, but let's open up a fun package first. So, show you that. Do it right, I'll show y'all my address. So this is an order from Sammy, True Crew Creations. Yes. Alright. So I ordered one of her boo bags. It's a DIY boo bag that she had on her palm street. So this was the scrunchie I got. You can tell it's little skeleton skulls with cowboy hats. I really like this. I'm a Halloween person, so that's my favorite. But I'm also a camo person. So like, look. This is just perfect. And I love these. So I have these. This is her card that she has. And then here's the back of it. Then I got a cute little ghost sticker. So that was in this. And then I got a new tank top that says kinda cute, kinda creepy. So we love this. We love the Halloween plus the flowers. We love that here. So that was that. Alright, so now we're going to show you the shipping boxes. Okay, so one new size box I got was this. It's a pretty deep but small box. It's big enough that I can fit my 4x6 labels right here. So, but this is like how deep they are. So, one size I got 50 of or 25, and then the other got 50 or 100 of. So, there are those. Then the next size I got were these. I get a lot of orders for like my small Amy sticks and like a lot of set of eyes. So these are going to be perfect for that. I need to get probably a couple size boxes bigger, but for now this is what we'll work with, and we'll use these to ship in. So yeah, that's that. Like I said, I got several of those boxes. I did have to order black safety eyes. I did order the 16. I decided not to cut those out because I know some projects the safety eyes I use typically are too big. And it's not worth doing those pretty eyes in small sizes in the plushies. I still do a lot of embroidery too, plus the eyes. So I also have that 50-50 mix here. So that's what matters. So, but yeah, I'm excited about these orders. Now, I ordered a big box from Premier. Let me just show you guys. Look. So now we're going to open this up and we're going to see what all yarn I got, because I don't remember what all I bought at this point. Okay, so I got some stash gold bag, so I got it in white. black. I did get more yellow. I got more of this color. This is linen. I got tan. And I think this is purple. So, I got this to make game cards. Not even on mine. So. I'm going to have to check and make sure this is all of my order, because I don't know if this is all my order or not. I'm going to have to check. But, so I did get 2 in the color Poppy in the Premier Basic Chenille Brights. This is a 112 yards, 5.3 ounces, 100% polyester. And they recommend us 8mm crochet hook or 7, whatever. I'll never go by the suggested hook size on this. I got another skein in steel cut oats. I got another skein in tangerine. And then I got 2 skeins in the caramel. Like I said, I think I'm missing something with this one. I got more of this. So I'm trying out some new yarns. So I see everybody that likes this. This is the Sprinkles, 65 yards. So I got the Parfait XL in it, which I know is not a lot. So I did get 2 of the ones that I did order. I just wanted to try it and see if I liked it. So I got it in the color Amino. And then I got it in the color Garden Party, which this is my favorite. So now is the new stuff. I don't feel like this is all of this either. Okay, so you know, Parfait Premier Yards came out with a Parfait plush, and so I got a few colors. I got red for Poppy. I think this is toffee. Yeah, toffee and chocolate. I got summer squash. I think this was one of their limited edition colors that they came out with. And so far, we got some pretty good yarns. This is pretty dirty though. I just see that one spot. I wonder if I can get that one spot out. Spearmint. This is a really pretty green. Like, I can't wait to work with this stuff. This stuff is so nice. And what I'm hoping this is going to do, this is going to cut out some of the Sweet Singles Lighten stuff that I need. Because if I can order everything from Premier, why not just do that? Then I got Sage. So I'm excited about this. Then of course you gotta get a white and a black. So that's what I got. gonna put all this back in there. And I don't know how much all this was. I know it was over $100, but I mean, these you can't beat the deal on. These were $6 and you get 2 skeins of yarn in them. So I'm pretty much set on that. But I just needed a few colors in the Premier Basic Chenille, which like I said, I'm missing some colors, so I'm wondering if my order got halfway canceled. Because like I don't see everything. But that is everything for this little haul of mine. Don't forget to hit the button that looks like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have tried the Parfait Plush, and if you have, tell me if you like it or not. But otherwise, you can just leave a generic comment if you haven't tried it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys!